How to add multiple clocks to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now on the lock screen, touch and hold. Then we enter in the PIN. After that, tap on the clock widget. Over here, tap on style. Then we swipe across and select the multiple city clock widget. At the top here, you'll be able to add in city, tapping on the clock here. Okay, so let me see if I can tap on the clock. Here, tap on add city, and then you can use the search button to search for the city. So for example, San Francisco, tap on add, and then tap on add city again, and then tap on the search button, and then say Paris. So tap on Paris and then tap on add. Okay, so you're allowed to add up to 2 cities or 2 different clock, and then tap on done. And that's it. So on your lock screen, now you can display your local time as well as 2 additional clock from other cities. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.